Hello friends. Welcome to Click Vista, where we bring you the best accessories to enhance your gaming experience. Today, we've found an amazing product that the whole world needed. Yes, we are talking about the PS5. The PS5 stand and cooling station comes with a dual controller charging station. Let's see why this stand is essential for your setup. Vertical stand. Let's start with the design. This stand allows you to position your PS5 console vertically, saving space and giving your setup a sleek look. Plus, your console stays secure and stable. Cooling system. Overheating can ruin any gaming session, but this stand has you covered. It comes with high-speed cooling fans to keep your PS5 running smoothly, even during intense gameplay. No distractions from noise either. Dual controller charging station. Charging your controllers has never been easier. The dual charging dock charges two DualSense controllers simultaneously. It even features LED indicators to show when your controllers are fully charged, green for ready to go, and red for charging, simple and efficient. Additional USB ports. Need more connectivity? This stand includes 3 USB hubs, perfect for plugging in accessories like keyboards, mice, or external storage devices. All this convenience in one place. Headset holder. No more wondering where to keep your headset. This stand includes a dedicated headset holder to keep your gaming area tidy and your headset within reach. Benefits and use cases. Space optimization. The vertical design and organized compartments make this stand a space-saving hero for any gaming setup. Cooling efficiency keeps your PS5 cool during long gaming marathons, protecting it from overheating. Convenience. From charging controllers to storing headsets and games, this stand has everything you need in one place. Why choose this product? It's not just a stand, it's a multifunctional gaming station that enhances your overall experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this product is designed to meet all your needs. Plus, its sleek design perfectly complements your PS5. Call to action. If you're ready to upgrade your gaming setup, check out the link in the description to get your PS5 stand and cooling station today. Trust me, your PS5 will thank you.